My name is Tony Bristol, and I'm the head of business development for Multiplied Media. So Multiplied Media, we produce local search solutions for mobile. And particularly our expertise is around the BlackBerry platform. So we provide a very experience-rich application for BlackBerry users in 7 markets today. We work in the UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Canada, and the US. And we're expanding every few months. We can open a new market up. The application is called Poynt, P-O-Y-N-T. Okay, and what Poynt does is it really provides simplicity to the user to actually find local businesses, local points of interest that someone is looking for when they have their phone, and when they come to a new city. We find many BlackBerry users are businessmen, are businesswomen that travel a lot, and the first thing they do when they come to a new city is want to know, where can I go to eat? You know, maybe if I'm there over the weekend, can I go see a movie? Can I do something that I want to do when I'm in a city that I'm not familiar with? Poynt makes it so simple for a user to do that. Within a matter of 2 or 3 clicks, you're able to find what you're looking for. The feedback we're receiving is really great. It's anywhere from, this is the greatest thing since Jesus, okay, that's on the extreme, okay, to every BlackBerry should have this app, to you know, suggestions on, you know, we've got a very active user group. It's almost propelling us to where we have been today. I mean, really, our users are our biggest asset, and they give us, we look over their user data and feedback every single month, figure out what are the next features we need to put in, you know, what do they like, what do they dislike, and we're able to really form our product around our user base, which is great. So no, it's free, which is the best part for the user. What we do is we work on an advertising model, okay? But we do it in a very smart way. I like to think of it as functional advertising. You're already looking for a pizza place in Rome, let's say, right? Well, we work with content partners that are actually going out to these small pizzerias and saying, hey, I'll give you some distribution. You pay me whatever it is, 100 euros a month. I'll give you top-line placement for pizzerias in Rome, right? They then pass that on to us and help us to monetize. So from a user perspective, they're getting what they want, which is a solid free application that they don't have to pay for. We're getting our monetization through our content providers, which we're happy. You know, the content providers are happy because they're getting more distribution. So it's one of those win-win situations where everyone walks away happy.
You mentioned operators there. Who else would you be looking to partner with?
Well, so there's a few different categories. So one is definitely the operators, as I've already talked about. Number 2 are other content providers that have really interesting, rich local content. Like for instance, we just implemented gas prices in the US, okay? Now, what a great thing when oil prices are going through the roof, but to find the cheapest gas or petrol station nearest to your current location, right? With that type of data source, we can provide that very easy. So other people that have great, interesting data, parking spots. Show me the best parking spots in London. How much they cost, where they are. We're able to integrate that all in, code it to a GPS lat long, and we're all set up. So interesting content that's local centric, we're looking for partners in that area. The other place where we're looking for potential people to work with is other applications and services. So today we do a very nice job working with other applications. Give you an example. We work with Telenav, for instance, which is a routing company. We're able to show their routes from our application, pass directly into their application and work directly with that. So we're also very open when it comes to our partnering with other application providers like us.
I was going to ask, that sounds to me as though you're open. So if someone's watching this with an idea, they should come and talk to you?
They should, definitely. You know, being a small company ourselves, I know how important it is to find good services that work together. And really, in this type of application market where there's thousands and tens of thousands of applications out there. We need to help each other. What I'm going to show you is a quick run through of Poynt. First thing I want to show you is what we do up here is we actually grab either your GPS location or your cell site location. So right when you enter our app, we're actually finding the location for you. So what you're first going to see is you're going to notice the background. So the background is dynamically created based on what the weather is. So right now, you see it's a clear night in Rome, about 50 degrees Fahrenheit, because I'm from the US and I'm not quite sure about the Celsius, so I can set it to my preference, right? What you also see is that it's a beautiful night out there, it's clear. So if we were to look out the window now, it would be, we actually update this every few minutes based on what the actual weather is. So it's none of this, what's going to happen 3 hours from now or what it was 3 hours ago. You're going to get up-to-date weather with our application. What we actually did is we actually went beyond the platform and actually created something a little out there as far as what you could do with BlackBerry. Our Storm device is even flashier. You can actually run your finger along the screen and the icons will shrink or expand depending on what icon you're over. Very nice user interface. Let's take a scenario of we're in Rome tonight. We've had a little bit to eat and we're actually looking for a good gelateria place. As you know, they have some of the best gelateria here in Rome. So I'm going to go and make that search here in the application. What it's doing right now, it's going out and actually finding the local information. I'm going to go and actually click on that. Now I can do a few things here. If we're going to do it in an hour because you have to work a little bit longer, I can actually add that to my calendar with one click. So really, our claim to fame here is ease of use. You saw how I just had to do a few clicks to find my information. I didn't have to type out that I'm looking for a gelateria or where I am. The application does the heavy lifting for me. Really quickly, if I go ahead and map the listing, boom, right to the map, and then I'm able to go and do directions to that restaurant that I want to eat at. So where you get it is you actually go to m.poynt.com, or you can go to the BlackBerry App World. And the BlackBerry App World is actually a really great place to get it because you can go and read all the reviews. We have over 2,000 reviews on the product and we're rated actually 4.5 stars. So very highly rated application on the BlackBerry App World. And go ahead and give it a twirl. I'm sure you'll be impressed. www.poynt.com. Again, that's Poynt with a Y, so that's P-O-Y-N-T. That's our commercial site for our product. You can also reach out to me personally. I'm Tony Bristol at tony.bristol, like Bristol, England.
That's the city, right?
Yes, exactly. At multiplied.com.
Okay, and just multiplied, is that just multi?
M-U-L-T-I-P-L-I-E-D. So multiplied. Yes.
Just checking.
Yes. You bet.
Tony, thank you very much.
Yes. Thank you.